Okay, welcome to our tutorial on how to add details of websites to the web directory in Leicestershire Villages. Now you'll find the web directory in the local posting section on the left hand side of the screen, and if you click on there you'll find that this is essentially a list of useful websites for the local community. It could be privately run village websites, it could be websites for local community groups, organisations like the church or the Brownies, local football team. And it's even available for local businesses to add details of their website in here if they want to. Once again, it's completely free of charge for them to do that. All you would do is click on the Add New button, and it will show you really the same kind of form that you'll see for any of the local posting sections. And the first thing it's prompting us to do is provide a name for our website. So I'm going to include an example of Rock classes in Braunston. So I'm going to call the name Rock in Braunston. It's good practice to include a picture, so I'm going to click on the Browse button, and it's exactly the same way as adding an attachment to an email. It should allow us to search through the hard drive of our computer, and in my particular folder here I've got a Rock logo. If you leave this resize button ticked, it'll automatically resize your picture to fit on the screen, and the default is 200 pixels by 200 pixels. Generally best to leave that as it is, but you can change those settings if you really want to. Now the description is basically some information about what's contained on your website. You can either type it in directly, or I'm just going to paste this in from a Word document that I've typed previously. Okay, you can then go ahead and add the web address that you're linking to. So the example I'm giving is surrock.com, and it's always best practice just to check that web address is correct by clicking on the Go button, which will launch that website for you. And you can see I can tell that it's worked properly. It can be quite frustrating for users if people have mistyped a web address and then they can't actually get to the website. So you can add up to 2 files as attachments if you want to. Could perhaps be a video introduction to your particular group. It could be a poster in Word or Publisher. It could be any type of file in there. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save. Now you should then notice that your item will go onto the site, but it will go in alphabetical order, so we'll need to scroll down to the C's on the list and we should see our item in there. Now you'll notice that it appears in pink because it's waiting to be approved, because nothing goes live on the site until it's been checked by a moderator first. Obviously our title becomes our link to our website, so as soon as I click on there it will open up that website for us, and we can see that it's working properly. So that's really all there is to add in your website details to the site. It's very simple to do, it's completely free, and it opens up your website to a much larger audience as well. So why not go ahead and add your details to your village's web directory.